Hey Technatious Tigers, here's your G Suite tip of the week number 4. Using keyboard shortcuts for the Chrome web browser. Most of our district-issued laptops are PCs, so I will be speaking in these PC codes here. If, however, you have an Apple product at home that you use often, here is the column that you may want to pay attention to as well. To open a new tab in the Chrome web browser, hold down the Control button and also press the letter T. Open a new tab, Ctrl+T. Number 2, to close the current tab, Ctrl+W. To close the tab, Ctrl+W. To reopen that previously closed tab, Control and Shift and the letter T. Now this one only works for the tab you just closed. Ctrl+Shift+T. Number 4, to refresh or reload the tab you're currently on, Ctrl+R. To reload, Ctrl+R. To zoom in, zoom out, and reset zoom, you're going to hold down the Control button. For in, you're going to press the plus sign. For out, you're going to press the minus sign. And for reset, meaning go back to 100%, you're going to press the 0 button. I find zoom in and zoom out particularly helpful if I'm trying to display something on the screen and I would like to zoom it in for the whole class or a whole audience to see comfortably. To zoom in, Control+. You hit it consecutively, it continues to zoom in. To zoom out, Control-. Again, consecutively continues to zoom out. And to get back to 100%, which is the default view, Control-0. And lastly, to open a hyperlink in a new tab, hold down the Control button, then click the link. Again, to open a hyperlink in a new tab, Control, then click the link. Some hyperlinks will automatically open in a new tab, but in cases like this where, say, I've run a search for a topic in Achieve, if I click the link, it will automatically open the link in this window, and then all of a sudden I've lost all my search results. So if I do the Control, then click the hyperlink, it opens it in a new tab, and then I still have my search results in the previous tab. Of course, there is the back button, but if you continue to click in this tab, then you're going to have to click back many times to get back to your search results. So that is just a little shortcut that you could use to save yourself some time. Now there are many, many more shortcuts that you could use with the Chrome web browser, but those were just a few that I thought you might use quite a bit. Go ahead and give those shortcuts for Chrome a try. Thanks for watching.